Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now, in this video series, we are looking at how to create your online store on Keepsales. And specifically for this video, we will be looking at the first step that you need to tackle to create your online store, which is entering your online store address or link. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing you do is to click on the main menu, you click on online store, and then you click on setup and settings. Okay, so it brings you to the online store management page, and then our step one is to enter your online store address or link. Okay, so now over here you are going to enter the name, okay, the address that you want. Okay, now you have to notice that the address that you enter here is going to be joined to this whole address, which is keepsales.com/store slash. So let's say the name of your business is let's say link me, all right, store. Okay, so if this is the name, you notice that it becomes keepsales.com/store/link me store. Okay, and then you click on save store link, and then it is saved for you. All right, there's another catch to this. Okay, if you this is a default link, all right, this is a default link that you can still use, okay, and share. But if you want to create something that is very customized, okay, so when you can read this guideline, says you may contact support to help you get a custom link for example mybusiness.com. So if you want something that's customized to you, you are going to have to pay for it in order to get it customized for you. But this is the step one to creating your online store address link. So now once that is done, you can just click on it to have a look at how it appears. So you see over here, keepsales.sumundi.com/store/link me store. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Okay, we looked at how to enter your online store address or link. In the subsequent videos, we'll be looking at all the other steps, so do well to check out all these videos. Do have a wonderful time. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.